Yo, what's up folks, welcome back to Money Pros, and today in this video tutorial we are going to talk about how to create a Fiverr account and get your first project, because it is very hard for freelancers to get of their first project. We are going to show how to get different project with the first account. So let's just get started with this and open any of your browser and go for Fiverr. Now just click on Fiverr. Now you can see we are in the Fiverr official website, and here you can get option for explore Fiverr business and different, but we are just going to talk about get the Fiverr account and get your first project. So let's just go for sign in, and then now just click on join, and then you can continue with Google, continue with Apple ID, or continue with Facebook, or you can simply go for sign in and then go from here. But if you are not a member, you just go for joining and then go for your email account. But right now I'm just going with continue with Google and select one of my email, and then this is how it would appear. You just need to correct your name here and then click on join. Begin with a letter and can include numbers and underscores. Okay, this is username, so you just have to go for letter and include number if you like, or go for underscore. So I'm just going for Money Pros 1 and click on join. Now you can see we are at the Fiverr account and our account has been created. It is this much easy to create an account, and then you just go for refer and get up to $100. Now once you come to the Fiverr, you just go for profile and then start. You can just create a new gig from here when you just fill up your personal info. So let's just fill up the form. Money Pros, you just go for a profile picture here and select any profile picture. Now you have to give a dynamic description and you can go for different options, but I'm just going for whatever comes in my mind. Money, okay, subscribe Money Pros. You just subscribe the Money Pros and then on YouTube. You just subscribe the Money Pros, get daily make money online ideas. And I'm just going to copy this and paste it. Now you just select the language, what language you speak. Low, I can go for English and language level. Okay, I'm not the native and I'm just going for basic. Now let's click on continue. Now go for occupation and then go for the skills that you have and go for only one specific skill, so that you don't get too many distractions from here. Now go for skills and go for, you can go for voice talent, content writing, content analysis, audit, and different other skills. And you can see the experience level and go for add. So you can also add different other skills and their levels, and keep continuing to add these skills. Now for education, you just select the country of the college or university and then go for college name. You can type in the college name and then just choose that. Go for the title, what you have done, BA, BSc, MA, or whatever the subject you have done. You can type in the major, MA in Nursing, Arts and Journalism. You can select the year here and then just click on add. In this way you can add other education qualification also, and go for certificate about like Google Digital Garage, and then you just put in the date that you got that certificate and click on add. In this way you can add different certificates as well, and go for your personal portfolio website like Money Pros on YouTube. This may be taken because .com is necessary, but I was just doing it for some fun. So let's just continue and go for, make sure you have added your experience and YouTube 5 of your strongest skills. So you just need to select 2 to 5 and I'm going to select the 5. Now go for 2021 because this is dummy and I don't think I should go for different other skills. And this, click on continue and then again click on continue. You can just put up your phone number and continue and create your first gig. You are almost 35% done, and this is because I have not filled all the forms totally, so this is why it has told me to fill the form on my new experience level. Voice, again you can go for your education and then select the country, go for college, go for the title and then go for the year. I'm just going for dummy, so I am filling whatever I wish, but you just go for the right and correct one. That will help you to grow faster and create trust among the people you will be working with. Now click on, you can just go for different other certificates as well, like your dress, and then go for paragraph and then select the PR from there. Now just click on add, and this way you can add different routers as well. You can continue and then go for, you can connect your Facebook and then go. Now you can enter your phone number here. You'll get a call. I have got a call.
Using our phone verification system, your code is 9430. Once again, your code is 9430. Goodbye.
So this is how you get the code when you choose the option for call and click on OK. Now select the question, what are the name of elementary school, so that after you forget your password, you give a right answer and then click on finish and then go for OK. The verification is complete and our profile is complete. Just click on finish and the seller profile is all set. Click on done. Now I'll do something, and I'll do write all content for you, or edit a video for you, or go for voiceover. You just select the category writing and translation, in subcategory articles and blog post. Now go for gig metadata, the language you will be going for, how many language you can go for, and then just click on the language, go for topic, and then choose your specific topic. You can just go for 2 topics and then click the tone of the voice of your article, professional or formal or conversational or creative, and then go for article type, listicle or news story or long form articles or informational only, and then you can choose after marketing as well, and you can just go for 3 and then sort the tags like affiliate marketing, blog design, blog writing. Blog design is for website, and then that way you can go and just go for 7 continue. So now the changes are saved and you will be redirected to scope and pricing. Now you can just go for offer the packages here, and you just select the scope, the package that you would like to get from the people, and then just select how many days it will take for you. And this is for the gig that you will be offering. You will be creating this and then people will just come and order from you. So you just go for this. I'm just going to skip this for right now. Now let's just go to Fiverr. Okay, this is the time when we will be talking how to get our first order. Now go to your Facebook account, then go to search in Facebook and go for get Fiverr project group. Once you type in this, you will see list of different Fiverr freelancers group, and then you just join all the group one by one and you just open the group. Now you have to post from here, and you can see different people have posted it. I need a perfect logo and copywriting, and you can just go for your Fiverr link and post it here. In this way you will get your first project. No referral, 30 ads, daily earning. This is the spam I think. You have to be aware from that, and you can see people are looking for different freelancers. You just go to these groups and start posting about yourself and get your first project. Thank you so much for watching our video. Subscribe Money Pros for different money making ideas. Subscribe Money Pros to make money online. Thank you so much for watching.